Hello everybody, in this video we will be discussing how can you apply for self-paced online module test. So do watch the video till end to understand the stepwise process. Now without wasting much of time, let us begin. Once you have completed your self-paced online module, the course progress would be shown as 100%. So in my case, I have completed Saturday, so the course progress is showing as 100% completed. Now once you have done this complete online module, you have to click on this link given on the top, as you can see here. You have to click on this link. If I click on this link, the screen would look like this. You have to log in with SSP, self-service portal. I have to sign in. Now I'm signing in. Now the screen will look like this. If you see here, the LMS status is showing as completed. Now in case you have completed your 100% classes, but still it is showing as in progress, you have to click on this refresh status button. As you can see here, refresh status button. If you click on this refresh status button, it will be refreshed and your status would be updated over here. Now once this is completed, this book seat option will be enabled for you. You can now book your seat for the test. If I click on this book seat option, now I have to click on this I undertaking, agreeing with the terms and conditions, and you have to read the guidance note if you want. You can read once, wherein they have provided the examination fee, what would the mode of payment of fee, examination center, etc. What will be the eligibility criteria, admission to the test, etc., etc. They have discussed in this particular guidelines. Now, if I click on this, I have to click on this proceed. Now the screen will look like this. You have to select the country from where you are in. I am from India. I am putting it as India. You have to select the state, which state you are from. So I am selecting Rajasthan. City, you have to select which city you belong to. You have to select that city from here. You have to select the center details, which center it would be, what are the center details, and you have to select the date. So if you can see the green ones, these are the available dates on which the exams can be conducted. Whatever date you want, you can select and write your self-paced online module test. Pay a payment of 500 rupees for this particular exam. Yeah, that's about it from my end. If you have any other concerns, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for watching.